Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. It's your boy Alan Wade. Thank you for joining me today. And I am here to bring you another interesting and exciting video about salvaging or rescuing old garments. Now, the other day I wanted to go to the gym and I didn't have any clean clothes because I didn't do laundry. I need to do laundry. So I took some old sweatpants that I never wore and I just simply cut off the bottom of the sweatpants to make them shorts. Now, you see what happened when you cut off the bottom. They're all raggedy and stuff like that. Don't worry about that right now. We'll solve that later. We're just going to roll them up, and before we roll them up, we're going to do something else to them. But I wanted to take these sweatpants and kind of rescue them. Sweatshorts and kind of rescue them. So I decided to try to do something different with them to try to decorate the garment with our Firefly Craft vinyl that we received from Firefly Craft. The link for this vinyl will be in the description down below, so click that link and make sure you guys visit the Firefly Craft store at Amazon and purchase all your vinyl from them. Excellent quality vinyl for decorating garments. They have all of the latest and fanciest type of, just besides the regular colors, they have all the extra fancy stuff, guys. So visit Firefly Craft. So what I decided to do was decorate the garment with just some stars to accent, well, to give these pants something, a little bit of pop or something like that. As you can see, they're old, they're beat up, nothing fancy about them. So I'm gonna see if I can bring them back to life live in front of you guys. All right. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to grab a ruler. I'm gonna grab my ruler in the background. So we're going to take our ruler and measure out how big we want our stars to be on the pant legs of this garment and exactly how many stars we want. I was debating whether I should do stars or lightning bolts, and I think I'm just going to go with stars. So take our ruler and we say I want the biggest star to be about 4 inches and the smallest to be 2 inches. So I don't know exactly how many I'm going to put on here, so I'm just going to cut out a few of them and see how they go on and what they look like when I press them on. So 4, 2, and maybe a 3. So the biggest star is going to be 4 inches, guys. All right, 4 inches wide, 3 inches wide, and 2 inches wide. And we're going to put them in different areas all over the garment on both legs, guys. Or maybe it'd be cool to do it just like in a pattern like this or something like that to make it kind of like give it some type of design aspect, and we'll do a little something on the back maybe. We'll see as we go along, guys. So now that we've decided exactly what designs we're going to put onto our garment here and the sizes that we're going to make those designs, let's just jump on over to our Silhouette Studio Designer Edition software and design the exact elements that are going to go into the garment. I'm not an expert in this software, but I am going to show you a few things that you can do in this software, Designer Edition specifically. You can draw a star with this, but it's a little tricky to do so. So I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to grab a star from online. Star. And this is how I get my images, guys. Image, star, PNG. That means the background is going to be transparent. I'm going to find a star with the transparent background. That's not transparent. Here's a star right here. So I'm going to click on it, right click on it, save image as star. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Star. Boom. Close this out. Now in Silhouette Studio, I'm going to go and I'm going to open a file and go to my desktop. Star. And here is my star, guys. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it. Alright. So now that we've got our star, guys, so this is kind of like a tutorial and it's a tutorial. I'm showing you how to use the software as well as how to make stuff, how to decorate the garment. Alright, so I've made the star a little bit bigger, and we're going to go over here to our, what tool are we going to use? This is the trace tool. We're going to click right here to click right here to select the trace area, and you click right there, and it gives you this little thing where there's little cross pins, and you just circle the thing that you want to trace. Boom, it's traced out perfectly. You just go trace, and then you take, and there's your address, your thing that we traced out right there. And this is the actual Silhouette Studio element that we're using right now. Okay, so we're gonna go boom, we're gonna delete the star that we got off of our image. Okay, so we highlight this star right here, and you're gonna go over here and color the star. Okay, so we're gonna make this black, so just so we can see it, guys. All right, we said we were gonna make this no bigger than 4 inches. So is that what we said, guys? 4 inches, right? So right here is 4 inches. Let me refer, 1 second. Let me refer to a cutting mat so I can see exactly how big 4 inches looks in real life. And yeah, about 4 inches is correct. So 4 inches, and we're gonna duplicate that. Duplicate, so we have another one, and duplicate another one right here, and duplicate again. Actually, you know what? Here's an easier way of doing it, guys. Duplicate that, then you highlight both of them, duplicate, and bring those down right below it. So now you got 4 of these stars right here, and we're gonna take one of them. Command Z to undo that, and duplicate it again. And this time we're going to go for a 3-inch star. Alright, so shrink it down to about 3 inches right there. And we're going to take that, put this one right here. And actually I want to bring these over a little bit to get them off of that line. So that's fine right there. So we're going to boom. I'm always trying to maximize my space, my real estate, and use as much vinyl as I can, guys, because this stuff is it's you know, it's not that cheap. It is for what you're getting. It's not expensive at all, guys. So but I don't like to waste vinyl, guys. So okay, so we got our layout for this right here, and so we're gonna take this and we're gonna save it right now. A lot of these designs, guys, I'm gonna be putting on my website, adubbproductions.com. You'll be able to download a lot of these designs that I make as I go along with them, guys. What I want to do is I want to have an offset for these stars, like a border kind of, sort of, if it makes any sense to you. So this 4-inch star right here, I'm gonna I shouldn't delete all. I'm gonna duplicate it, right? I'm gonna make this another color just so I can see it, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put it directly on top, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Make it a little bit bigger, and let me send this to the back. 1 second. Send backwards. Well, okay. Wait. All right. Bring forward. Alright, so now this is in the front so we can see it better. Alright, so I want to select the one that's in the back and make it a little bit bigger so I can see it, but I want it like significantly bigger, kind of, sort of. Alright, so that looks good right there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it. I'll show you what I mean in a second. I'm going to take this, let me make sure I'm doing this right, and I'm going to use this tool right, one moment, here. No, not that one. This tool right here, and I'm going to subtract. Alright, so now that I subtracted, you see that we're left with just the outline of that, right? Alright, cool. So we can delete this, and we're going to do the same with the little stars, guys. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, do everything and cut out everything, guys. And you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put another one of these and make 4 of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera, guys, and I'll be right back to you when they are ready to be cut out. This is gonna be our white layer, and this is going to be our shiny layer, guys. So let's get to it. Alright guys, now we have all our little stars and all of our designs all weeded out. I gotta be honest with you guys, I don't know how this is gonna come out. We have no idea, but it's gonna look a little something like this. But we'll see. I'm just gonna go ahead and press it anyway and show you guys what I come up with. This is the interesting part about designing. You just make something up and you just go with it. So let's start the press, guys. Alright guys, this is what we came up with. This is what we designed, our new gym shorts right here. The Gain Maker. I actually should have put that on the right side, but it's okay. Gain Maker gym shorts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a hem in it, guys. I'll probably go over top, and then I'm just going to like take a little small part and just roll it up like this. You know what I mean? Like this for both sides. And they're my new gym shorts, guys. Hold on. Just roll that up like that. And boom. My new gym shorts, guys. Boom. How you like that? Tell me, guys. Tell me if you like it. Once again, Firefly Craft. Thank you for the material for making the inside of these stars. It looks great. And the link will be in the description if you guys want to get some of this shiny stuff. Great for the holidays, for decorating garments for the holidays, and it's just great to have in general. Nobody's gonna have these, gonna look great in the gym. So Alan Wade, King Alan Alexander, on all social medias. Make sure you share the video, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you would have did differently. Show me, give me pictures of you guys' design. You can send them at adubbproductions@gmail.com. I'll put these styles on my website, adubbproductions.com. Give me about 2 days to put them up, and you guys can have this design for free. Let's get a close-up of it. Firefly Craft, thank you. This is beautiful. Firefly Craft vinyl. Let's make some nice garments, guys. Thumbnail. These joints look crazy. Ready to go work out. You lying to me if you say these joints don't look crazy. These shorts are nice. A-Dubb Production Gain Maker shorts for the gym, guys and girls. It's your boy, King Alan Alexander. Check me out.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby?